In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive on Trello. We're going to connect your Trello board to Google Drive using Trello's power-ups, so you can quickly attach files, see rich previews, and keep everything in sync. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the Trello account that owns the board you want to update, and that you're using the correct Google account you plan to link. You may also need board admin permissions to add a power-up. And note that some workspaces on the free plan have power-up limits. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then open the official Trello website and sign in if prompted. Once you're in, open the specific board where you want to use Google Drive. Double-check you're in the right workspace and board, especially if you manage multiple teams. At the top of your board, look for the Power-Ups icon. Click it. Then select Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups directory. In the search field, type Google Drive. You should see the Google Drive Power-Up appear in the results. Click Add to install it on the board. If it's already installed, you'll see indicators that it's enabled. Next, open the Power-Ups settings from the same Power-Ups panel and choose Edit Power-Up Settings for Google Drive. In the Settings window, click Link Google Drive Account. A Google sign-in or authorization window will appear. Continue through the on-screen prompts to connect your Trello board to your Google account. Choose the correct Google profile if you use more than one, and review the permission request. You'll need to allow access so Trello can find and display your Drive files. If you're on a company-managed Google workspace, you might need admin approval to complete this step. Once the connection is successful, you're ready to use Google Drive inside Trello. From your cards, you'll be able to attach Drive files, browse your Drive, and see live file titles, thumbnails, and last modified information. If teammates need access, make sure the file's sharing settings in Google Drive allow them to view or edit as needed. If you ever run into permission errors, revisit the Power-Up settings to reauthorize or switch to the correct Google account. You can also disable or remove the Power-Up from the same settings area later. That's it. Your Trello board is now connected to Google Drive. With this setup, attaching documents, slides, and spreadsheets to your tasks becomes fast and consistent, keeping your team focused and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.